Hey YouTube, I am back again with another video, and in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how to overclock your Android device. Remember guys, it has to be rooted, and I'm also running the OnePlus 7 Pro, but this should work for your device. So what first you got to do guys is go to the Play Store and download Elemental X. After that, you'll click up here, go to Elemental X, and you'll download the correct one for your device. It should already pop up if you guys see right here, Android 9, then you just want to download and install. After that guys, you want to go into the fast boot mode. So what we'll do, we'll hold it, let's power off our device, then let's hold the power button, volume up and down until fast boot comes up. There we go. Plug in our device, go to our PC really quick, then I already did some commands, but we're going to do fast boot. Like a fucking spell. Fast boot plus boot. Then you'll right click .img, and it's downloading the boot image really quick. Now we'll go back to our device. My camera might die guys, so it might be a two-part video, but now it's loading the TeamWin. If you already have this installed, then you don't have to do it again guys, okay? So let's get cancel. So what we got to do is just go to installed right here. Then if you can see, we'll go up, and let's see. We have to go to download really quick. Let's see, give me 1 second. I can't really see through the camera. Okay. Alright guys, so what you'll do, you'll go to your folders and you'll find either Elemental X or downloads. It should also be in your downloads, but sometimes it's not. So what you have to do is go up a level. You'll go, there is a folder right there called Elemental X. Let me focus the camera. You'll click on that, and what you'll do, you'll click here, then flash it. It's going to install really quick, so let it install. Done. Okay, then we'll reboot the system really quick. We can take it off the charger now since you did that. And remember guys, like I said, if you guys already have the TeamWin, the recovery installed, then you don't need to do that step. This is just for people who don't have that. And if you guys didn't see my last video, I did a ROM review. This is just the boot logo of that, which I think is pretty awesome than the standard OnePlus logo. So let's see, give me 1 second guys. Okay, so now we're going to start up my device, then we're going to continue from there, okay? So I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, so now what you do, you'll go back to the Elemental X, and if you guys see, I'm on my dashboard, and that is just a feature that I will explain in probably one of my next videos. But now if you guys see right here, you guys see flash. Let me turn that up, hold up guys. You see flash, PMP, temps, and tools. So tools, these are what the tools look like. You got the user settings, you got CPU time, battery monitor, temperature, CPU governor, kernel backup, color control flasher. So we'll go back, and to overclock you have to go to PMP guys, and this is where you'll change everything guys. So if you guys see right here, we could change this all the way up until we could just max it out guys. We'll go to max CPU, go all the way up. So this is how you just clock your device guys. So we'll do that. Then performance, you can show it status bar, max it out. I like max everything out guys. Minimum CPU, if you guys see 300, let's change it to 1113. Then right here, cluster 2, we could do performance, we could do power save. I like performance guys, but guys, this is how you guys overclock your iPhone, or your iPhone with the house. See, I've been on iPhone for so fucking long guys, but this is how you overclock your Android with Elemental X guys. If you guys do have a question, let me know down in the comments guys. I'm pretty good at responding to comments, but this is how you guys have to do is install Elemental X, install the latest one for your device, which you could do through Elemental X, the kernel I believe. Then after that, you'll install the kernel like I showed you guys. Then after that, you'll come back to the device and just customize it how you want. Play with it guys, find the correct one, and that is it guys. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe down below guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace guys.